my side, I will say that, well, I agree with the whole team. It is a very grateful experience. This has given the opportunity to, one, learn about the concept and also to put in practice. So it's really helpful to all the dynamics that we are going through this process. So this is really something that I will say is golden information. It is something that will be very helpful in the future. And I have been enjoying all this journey with this team. It's really good, the energy and all the dynamics that we were doing. So thank you.